Minister for Roads and Highway, has indicated to me that all things being equal and all these processes going on according to the timetable, by the fourth quarter of this year, construction of the bridge over Oti region will have begun.
Oti Bridge to them, I am determined and I've made the promise and I am going to see to it that it is done. There are some here, local legacy, it is going to be my legacy for this region, Oti Bridge.
The people of Oti region are telling the president and the government that they should fix or construct the bridge along or over the Oti River now, and that should be the main focus for now. And into Oti region for Suwomuchi bridge, where them a bridge day, if they question them, but then they ask now. President, where when a bridge day, if you want a question, will they ask you, don't, President, please listen to our plea. And then someone, Oti region for me, na AC Eka. So near Digital Media, you most welcome to your most authentic and trusted channel for news content and exclusives in Ghana and all parts of the world. We are in this morning with yet another exclusive information that will excite you to be more relaxed and comfortable with what you expected. Trust us that we always bring you the best. And I'll pay more about you na yemfa emre chubadi yeswe na yeba say dia na sama kodua etwa gu ewo Ghana ha and ofisi USA friend nyina and Oti Digital Media ye dey brew. Eno obi hu sabofra ebeka so Oti Digital Media fo aba Opinions makers Oti Digital Media for na be you. I am pa Oti Digital Media. Amanza nyina die to say a news a channel a wo bia rely on credible information. I don't know ultimate entutu na sekra. My name is Kennedy Amanka Opamwo. Now let's get into a summer hodwa eba. Nembo mansanye be run summer hodwo no. And then it didn't can cry over our channel so momodia na fa unsa esi subscription button so na fi miaso umiaso a na fi wo so adwene Oti Digital Media abusua no na ye ne wo akọ proper na fi wo hu sema hodo a ebeba afi a ebabeto abeyi sema hodo a exclusives from various constituencies and Ghana for na and scoops ahodo nyina no na ye de ebebro na wo so hu de ekodi na Oti Digital Media de yaba e de amagana fo nyina any yourself for nyina said information are reliable and credible and authentic and the ebro. And you better ask say why be any Oti Digital Media and all social media platforms and also Oti Digital Media. And then I the ebro I am where you assume bokwa wotiho. Na me more brief background binya the idea na wo say ampa Oti Digital Media ye kan samon ye ka samu na say enyina so pefe ewo mu a ye ka ye ma wenya ntie na fe we hu say ampa Ghana man be na Akufo Addo enim say amanfo de ye du abato so say ya na nsem ahodo o makeka kanyina no na Ghana fo ha say kai pa na me emfa ongo 2020 man be na Akufo Addo within the second term no woko apro a ye the regional tour. On the regional tour to be pure we Oti reaching. Na first in some work here ewo kiti krachi. Abra no ne Oti regional house of chiefs one president and na private sebu na ya otoso miensa en na nanu atro ankonya. Atira ase ombodwa ana komodidi koso ni ade omo amampani akwaba. Enu mu na nanu private sebu na de welcome na address ni mu ka se obetless aban emamoni am no omo meye bridge Oti river no so. Mabeni Akufo Addo to mu ekasai loudly has been captured on video and the video is in circulation now. Bi aka ho asem Oti Digital Media da roma. And na bi a obi aka ho asem. Mabeni asebo 2020 sometime in October. Now fast forward in 2020 no mabeni bo sheda ntimi emamu. In 2021 on Samba Dambai Ebium on a regional tour, 2-day regional tour, Sakai, Esisudia, then Rebecca said, we're reiterating the commitment to say, reach your council, Beno, Ebemwampa. I'm a big said, Dutch company never be na technocrats no grant say 1.6 kilometer a stretch na mono and wo me e bridge no so ana ensuo no so ampa ye na boy se bo mama mpani se beba so ya twa nti okay kan from 2020 wa promise 21 repeating promise no 22 one kan ho asem 23 one kan ho asem 2024 we are in September, few months to elections and a few months actually 3 to 4 months na mambini aso rekonya so mambini so ashabo keten as you as one of his legacy in the Oti region. Are we going to see a reality? And I promise no mambini be fulfill and I say just kind of some political talk ni bia obi etumi be kasa wo Ghana ha na ofa ni nwedi ebi nso bizaze ntinse mo mambini be kan di futuro kese pa no otu agu Oti region for animu ana and only someone ekonkon ha one day and also so ebe na ya seek answers for that, but the main focus and titiru pa onua digital media ya doso mu a ya kofifi mu na ya hu die ntia bridge ya mambini shebo ya osan sisudua in 2021 no wo mu tumi en construct bridge no. Now it will shock you and interest you to know reasons in tia preaching on woman here. I once again invite you to join us on Onuya Digital Media. Please just press the notification button and the subscription button. No, now for training Onuya Digital Media. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Obin kanji obi no obi sun kanji obi. So Onuya Digital Media baby the information from kwan. Faga na for ni teacher Oti reaching. Na e focus on reaching ho. And I had the bro. Reasons in tia, no bridge no man beginning to me any year. And I had the bro. We exclusive, will be to me kind of baby. I am and the information now. Yeah, the bro. And he, yeah, the better for me, dear. Best say, yeah, person in communia. Yeah, the bro is so. Now, was what catch you. No, was what catch you be. Now, information no spread it. Now, I share, now, Oti region for you. Now, you, yeah, chefa, near India. Man, Benny Bridge no on to me here. Benny for better and a mombia, now, woman etu. Nti you asumi ye pa me na se selfie wadwene Onuya Digital Media. Now the okan se mi a sabre yensa ka o ma reason ti a mampeni entumi enye bridge na bridge no o be construct over the Oti River and river Oti no edile MC Emma Cratchy East Municipal Olumnyamfo Charles Jemfi Boatin. I understand this is now the third MC Cratchy East because the predecessors me no so the young couple to suffer with me no and you not take over. It's just been appointed sometime in April this year. Joba entry dear but minim say office and amamu de to aso enti nkra candidate da wa ba ya ono soso ebebe mu a oni ni worker na obeni akasa ra Charles Jemfi Boatin akasa na nsemo kan de echen kuri ba modi a na ve wasum yi pa yi wasum na tie okay ya den sam ne brewa ye din kan ra Charles Jemfi Boatin se bridge no aya de abompini aka passe obeye na promise da ho ayi na nimu na oba yen soso ono nso egusu a otu anamo na de ntia bridge no wo muntumi anyeye a edile enyina ne se ora Charles Jemfi se na boat operators a omo ayeda mbai asoso kire se the econos also omompeni omo omo hawa omo de akoto omompeni ni mu a o ma choro krata di bu be ka say petition e de akoma omompeni a or petition ni mu eti enim da o ma choro petition no a omo de akoma omompeni but na new year na say petition every boat operators from Dambai akoko pie mu omompeni wa or petition no enti or petition ni mu a na fe di be free mu so abanyina no petition no di etu emu na so wo mo say mampeni so ehwe no madwuma wo mo ya wo nsa ko ma nyina ne say boat adwuma na wo de nkofo and passengers etwa nsuo no na wo mo so e ma wo nsa e ko ma no enti mampeni be constructed bridge ne pa na che say enya de boat no enso be san ye adwuma ewo eye na mansuo no so enu ntwe so eno so ya asem a mampani susu ehwe enu nti boat operators wo ma request ana on petition a o de akoma mampani ntina wo muntumi anye bridge no enu nti owura eye Charles Jemfi eno wo de science bi eto so nkyerefo adi mu a onua digital media ye pese wo no o de ne kasa ekra wie no so oh you know the president is someone when he promises he's doing it it's your no there anya de ansem a na ye ka se na mampani abetu no tiro egu ye nimu ni ade no sa da tie emu mampani ye o se ade yo o ka ansem a wo ye o she bonzo a odi so eti no sa ade no ye ka ne sa so a enjimi emfa enti owura Charles Jemfi anu ye a odi amaye de enti a bridge no wo muntumi anya ye na onua digital media ye de nsem nyina to ho edi ama according to owura Charles Jemfi na your exclusive video owura Charles Jemfi abra na one yen edi nkomo a o kan enti a yeso ye nya bia ye ka kire wo enti ma ye nyina ye video no na ehuni a owura Charles Jemfi eka.
Reason why it's delaying, you know, there is a small ferry in the lake. That is the boats, that small one. They also wrote a petition that if it is a bridge, their job is going to spoil. They don't have any. Yes, they are also using that small bridge to take the passengers across the hill. And so there is a petition at the table of president, and he's also looking about that one. That is why he's delaying the work. And that is why it's delaying. If you know, president is somebody. If he say it, he's doing it.
Sure. Ya go video na ba mo bi enso ehu de owura Charles Jemfi kan. Na mi se bebre na de be interest wo mo kese pa. O meka ho asem any boat operators a wo mo se enti wo mo ndi bridge a be benefit the masses. Enti yan so spend ana en kanchi so enyimu na fedie. Wo mo nsem kakra o makanti ma beniti na wo mo sa project ni engu ana. And this same baby, I mean, say amount for a baby pa. I question Kessie pa. Na Charles Jemfi say more no catch to a grass woman penny. I will be a or promise here. He's doing it in the news amount for a commentator. Come say pa. Now no any focus. On the digital media, yes, so you want some more episode a cafe a year bridge a woman young constructor and reasons are. Mampani na musini owura Charles Jemfi MC eba krachi is eso kai. First of all, ebisa se enti nipa kakire bi nipa kuma bi ya wo mete da my boat operators some section bi etumi aka wo mu abu atworo krata akoma mampani ana mampani nsusu eka se o re krata ni mu ndi wo a wo MC nsusu no won so anamon ba ni wetu afa ho enti boat operators no won susu di wo mo ka no won so wufu a wo mo so ana ana onu omo ya atwen ana ye musa se osusu wo boat ni bia na no wo obi a wo operate ma wa na a wo nya usika bi free mu na ya se musa wo a nu nti a untumi entu anamon bia emfa ho a reason a wo de ma ye die a reason no nothing to write home about her obi a be kan se onu abo ye na wo enya atwene sanse nsem a wo ka no emfa ombe ye bridge ni ma ya e be boost economic activities ti onua digital media yanso ye kan say owura kwatin some wo kan dey dabi emfa ne sa kra ana Ghana manofo so wo ma take him for granted pa wo mo ka se mo ni so this is not the first time wo mbeni ashebo ana wo mbeni Akufo Addo men ka se ono pe o abambeni aba ko successive president wo ma ba aba shebo ashebo I have videos ni audios the data ho as woman is abon so nti Ghana for about times yes so descending now I can who near can say so man penibi and candidate bi be kan sem ekire be shebo no ntimi ani so a edu about one so a emu anu wo ba ho a mamu man attention kra mamu ntie di obeka eso so ne name of politics and am an to a party ni be luzu na de ade the party officials nya de omu di animu kan sem a e be benefit o mo nko a that's project will benefit the entire population in the woman can wasem. That feel woman would say singing praises on government. Now on performing woman singing praises. No, that should not be the best way to go. I think they will see politics, no British funny and do the brain and yes I know on politics. And so Ghana, and you may not say, Pierre Junin, the one in the Busia, and who pet. Omo Ghana for Pierre Betaswa, who are best workers. See, unprecedented promises are going to be fulfilled. And only somewhere high 20 papa. My Kyle Yao, just on the 4th of August. Now, Pantu across crashing and by another mile to the other side. Pantu Namus were into me landed. A cannon of moon soon as I knew about quite a feature, 42-year-old man. You have been funny currency. This is you more eyes walk of fix the problem here. Pantu into me in Nano. I mean, Yamiaton San Freno. We're hearing by a very sad situation there. It's the way now, Oman Penny, MC in Penny for 1 year now. I am to woman to me, and fix it, and on woman to me expedite the process. No more bridge, you know, and my Oti region. And I think that the people of Oti region are telling the president and the government that they should fix or construct the bridge along or over the Oti River now, and that should be the main focus for now. And into Oti region for Suwomuchi bridge, where them a bridge day. If they question them, then they ask now, President, where when a bridge day? If you want a question, they ask you, don't, President, please listen to our plea. And then somewhere Oti region for me na ACL. This is Oti Digital Media, your #1 and trusted channel for news broadcasts in Ghana and across the world. Thanks so much for subscribing and joining us once again. If you have not joined, please kindly subscribe to join us and share and comment on the comment section. Please be part of us actively. Thank you so much. My name is Kennedy Amanka Opambo. Thank you.